Let's have an overview of how machine learning models work and how they are used. So we'll first start with a model called the decision tree. They are basically fancier models that give more accurate predictions, but decision trees are easy to understand and they are the basic building blocks for some of the best models in data science. So let me move on to the next slide. Training the model. So we use data to decide how to, uh, if we are to predict house pricing, we use data to decide how to break the houses into two groups, and then again to determine the predicted price in each group. This step of capturing patterns from data is called fitting or training the model. The data used to fit the model is called the training data. And after the model has been fit, you can apply it to new data to predict prices of additional house. Which of the following two decision trees is more likely to result from fitting the real estate training data? So let's look at the first decision tree. The question is, does house have more than 2 bedrooms? And if we say no, then predicted price is 178,000. If we say yes, the predicted price is 188,000. Then second decision tree has a same question. If we said no, predicted price is 188,000. If we say yes, predicted price 178,000. So the decision tree on the left, with the first decision tree probably makes more sense because it captures the reality that houses with more bedrooms tend to sell at higher prices than houses with fewer bedrooms. The biggest shortcoming of this model is that it doesn't capture most factors affecting home price, like number of bathrooms, lot size, location. Deeper trees. So in order to capture more factors, we can create a tree that has more splits. And these are called deeper trees. A decision tree that also considers the total size of each house's lot might look like this. So you can have, we have the same question. Does house have more than 2 bedrooms? Yes and no. And then instead of going to predict the price right away, we will have another question. Lot size larger than 8,500 square feet? Yes and no. Lot size larger than 115, 11,000 square feet? No, yes. So you can predict the price of any house by tracing through the decision tree, always picking the path corresponding to that house's characteristic. So the predicted price for the house is at the bottom of the tree. The point at the bottom where we make a prediction is called a leaf in decision tree.